Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start with chapter quadrilaterals for class 6th students. So similar to triangles, as we have seen in triangles, we have three sides and three angles. In case of quadrilateral, we have four sides and four angles and four vertex. This is the only difference. Okay, so let's move on. So as you can see in this diagram, there is four side. This is your first side, this is your second side, this is your third side, this is your fourth side. So this is a quadrilateral. Okay, now observe this four figure and we have to identify which one is similar to quadrilateral, which we have seen above. So the four sides should be like this. Okay, so the second one, this is not a quadrilateral, this is definitely not a quadrilateral, and this is nowhere close to quadrilateral. Okay, so in this case, here you can see this sides, what you see, if you have to name this side, you can name it as segment AB. This can be named as segment BC. This can be named as segment CD. This can be named as segment AD. Okay. Now let us understand few basics of quadrilateral. Now this is naming a quadrilateral. How to how to read the name of the quadrilateral. So over here you can see this diagram of a quadrilateral which is ABCD. So if you read, you can read it as quadrilateral ADCB. Next is DCBA. Next is CBAD. Next is BADC. Okay, and when you have to write, so this small box that you see, this is the symbol of quadrilateral. So while writing, you need not write the entire spelling of the quadrilateral. You just need to draw this small box which will represent the quadrilateral, and this same you can write as it is. Okay, now while reading the naming of quadrilateral, you need to understand you can start at any point A, B, C or D. You need to move in a single direction. Either you can move it this way or you can move it this way. Okay, so when we say A, D, C, P, you can also write it as A, B, C, D, but you cannot write A, B, D, C. Okay, you have to go in the same order. You cannot miss any vertex. You cannot skip any vertex. So you cannot go like this A, B, D and then C. You have to go A, B, C and D. Okay, so this was with respect to the naming of quadrilateral. Now let us understand what is adjacent sides of a quadrilateral. So adjacent, simple meaning I would say, adjacent means बाजू वाला, आपके बाजू वाला, आपका neighbor is your adjacent. Okay, so similar way is for quadrilateral. So if I have, this is adjacent sides. Okay, so this AB, this is your first side, this is your second side, this is your third side CD, this is your fourth side AD. If you have to write adjacent side, so AB का adjacent कौन है? AB का adjacent is AD or BC. So you can write side AB and side BC are adjacent side. Okay, now you can also write side AB and AD are adjacent side. Now you can write side CD and BC are adjacent side. Side CD and AD are adjacent side. Okay, this was adjacent side. Okay, opposite sides. Opposite sides means exactly सामने वाले. So there should not be a confusion for opposite sides. Okay, opposite side is AB and CD are opposite. दोनों एक दूसरे के आमने सामने हैं. Then AD and BC are opposite sides. Okay, next is adjacent angles. Now similar to adjacent side means baju baju wale side. Similar way, adjacent angles means baju baju wale angles. Ab quadrilateral mein there are four angles, which is this angle, angle D, then we have angle E, then we have angle F, then we have angle G. Now I hope you guys know how to name an angle using three letter and using a single letter. So you can preferably you should use you should name angle using three letters, which is mentioned over here. And when you say angle DEF, it represents the middle angle, which is angle E. So DEF is nothing but this angle, angle E. GFE. GFE means angle F. Okay. Now we need to name adjacent angle. So angle D and angle E are adjacent. Angle D and angle G are adjacent. Angle F and angle E are also adjacent. Angle F and angle G are adjacent angles. Okay. Now let's move on to next, which is opposite angles. Opposite angles is very easy. Angle B and angle D are opposite angles. Angle A and angle C are opposite angles. Okay. Now next is diagonals. So when you join the opposite vertex of a quadrilateral, they are called diagonals. Okay. When you join opposite vertexes, which is point A and point C, so this AC segment, this is called a diagonal of the quadrilateral. Similar way, BD is also a diagonal of a quadrilateral. Okay. Let's move on to next. This is for practice. You can see all this. Yeah. Now we need to go to polygon. Yeah. So what is polygon? So polygon is any figure after triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon and other closed figure with more than 5 sides are called polygons. Okay. So triangle, quadrilateral, triangle, you know there are 3 sides, 3 angles. Quadrilateral, 4 sides, 4 angle. Pentagon, there are 5 sides, 5 angle. And other closed figure with more than 5 sides, all are called polygons. Okay. Now let's move on to practice set 37. So the first figure, if you see, so there are 5 sides over here, right? First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So just now we saw figure with 5 sides and 5 angles are called pentagon, right? So this is pentagon. Okay. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 sides. So this is called hexagon. Okay. Quadrilateral with 6 sides and 6 angles are called hexagon. Let's move on to next. I'll just write the name over here. So first is 5 sides, it's pentagon. 6 sides is hexagon, hexagon. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is heptagon, heptagon. Next is 8 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is called octagon. So you need to remember this. This thing can come in match the column. Quadrilateral with 5 sides is called what? So you need to match this. Okay. Next, let's move on to next. So practice set number 38. This I think we should cover up in our next video lecture. So for this lecture, this is it. Let's meet in our upcoming video lecture. So I hope you guys are staying indoors and not going out because of this COVID situation. So wish you everyone a healthy life. We'll meet up soon. Okay, thank you.